Hi, I'm Al Davis, founder of EpicFoodPlan.com. One thing that I've noticed over the years is many people say, I don't like to cook, and then when you go over to their house and you see what kind of tools they're using, it's no wonder they don't like to cook. They use a knife that's this big to do everything from slicing vegetables to slicing roast beef, and the knives are invariably dull. So let's do a little knives 101. I'm going to go over what you're going to need for your kitchen, basic things that you're going to need for your kitchen, and then of course you can expand from there. Now keep in mind, you don't have to spend a ton of money to buy good knives for cooking in the kitchen. Most of my stuff I bought at yard sales for $1 or $2. $10 is the most I spent for a knife. So let's start with the French knife. This is the most popular one. This is an 8-inch French chef's knife, and you're going to use this a lot for your basic slicing and dicing. The kind that's my personal favorite for doing the same thing though is a Chinese chef's knife. This allows you to scoop up vegetables and do a lot of things that you can't do with the French knife, plus it's a lot safer. Often people call this a cleaver. It's not actually a cleaver. This is a cleaver. Do you see the difference in the thickness there? The difference in the shape? This is designed for cutting bone, the cleaver. This is designed for slicing and dicing vegetables. The Chinese chef's knife. If you're not gluten sensitive, you probably want to pick up a bread knife. You definitely want to look though, because these things are often dull when you buy them at yard sales. The other one you're going to want for cutting melons and such things is a boning knife. This is about 6 or 7 inches long. They come in a variety of different brands, and again, they're one that you're going to find indispensable. You're going to need a quality peeler. You're going to need a tiny little knife like this for taking care of strawberries and such things. And you want all your knives to be sharp. I'm going to give you a demonstration of what sharp means. I am using the weight of the knife to slice this. This is a little tomato. Just cuts right through it. I'm not putting any pressure at all on it. And again, I can use my fingertips. And it'll slice right through it like that. That's how sharp you want your knives to be. Now, if you want to sharpen them, the easiest thing that I've found for basic knife sharpening 101 is this thing called a Bavarian. It's this thing called a Bavarian edge. They have them on Amazon. They're like 15 or 20 bucks. They're not much. You just run your knife through it like this. You're going to have little particles of metal on the edge. And then you want to chew it up with a steel like this. This is not a sharpener. Often people think these are sharpeners. They're not sharpeners. They're designed to clean up the edge once you've sharpened it. That's it. That's Knives 101, and there'll be a slicing and dicing of basic vegetables in the next video. Thanks for watching.